Alright guys, in this little video, we're installing winches, bumpers, and lights. Bam. Son of a biscuit. The wrong part. Let's go see. Alright guys, so obviously this one's an older model, this is a newer model. And nothing is lining up with this thing. So luckily I didn't order it, so they're gonna have to exchange it and bring me a new one so we can actually mount a winch plate on here and actually mount a winch. Alright guys, we're done. But we're not done with the white one because the wrong part's ordered. But we are done with this one. We got the winch mounted, 2 bumpers installed, a couple of shackles here and there to dress it up, and this thing is ready for Rubicon.